Fairy tales get millions of views, and the creators of such channels earn more than $5,000 per month. Such animated fairy tales are created with artificial intelligence and easily receive monetization. In this video, I will explain step by step how to create such storytelling videos and enable monetization. And I will explain how I managed to earn money with this kind of content. My personal method for getting a channel monetized by creating engaging and captivating animated fairy tale stories. Our plan is very simple. First, we will come up with an idea for the video. We need a storyline for the fairy tale. Then we will decide on the style of the story, either cartoon 2D or illustrated 3D. Next, we will create a full fairy tale using a prompt, edit the video, and upload it to YouTube. Don't skip ahead so you don't miss anything important. First, we go into ChatGPT or any other text assistant. It doesn't matter. We will first come up with the script. We write the request. Come up with some ideas for a fairy tale plot for me now. Throw out a couple of ideas briefly. ChatGPT will write a few interesting plots for us. You can choose one of them or come up with a plot yourself. I will trust ChatGPT and choose this plot, The Fox Who Stole Winter. I liked it. Now we copy it, paste it right here, and add, "Give me this one." Just describe it briefly, up to 500 characters. Keep in mind that it must be less than 500 characters because more will not fit. It wrote us a short plot. Now we copy it and move on to the main tool. For creating fairy tales, we will use the website Read Kids. It is the one that creates full and cute animated fairy tale stories. And here you can also create your own complete book with an interesting plot. For our task, we need the animation section. This is exactly where we will make our story. First, insert the prompt. And as you can see, up to 500 characters are available here, so you need to write briefly. Now let's set up the prompt. The fairy tale will be for children from 4 to 6, but you can set it to 6 to 9 if you want. Set the story type to fairy tale, nothing else. Now you need to choose a theme. Set it to classic. It fits best. We don't touch any other settings. We don't need them. Click Generate and confirm. First, a full plot and book pages are created. Don't worry, this is how it's supposed to work. Now we need to choose the graphics. There are many options here, and they all look great, but I advise you to choose from the 3 favorites: anime style, dreamy pastoral style, or warm total 3D. They are perfect for telling a fairy tale. You can preview how these animation styles will look. Personally, I will choose dreamy pastoral style. I liked it. A drawn style look. Next, there is a small guide. We skip it. Now we need to generate our characters depending on your script. I have 3, a fox, a girl, and a boy. You may have 2 or 5. It depends on your plot. Everything is very simple. Select a character, check it, and click Generate. You need to generate each character separately, but it won't take much time. My first character is generated. Do the same with the rest. If you don't like a character, just press the edit button and change whatever you want. For example, the clothes or hairstyle. After you finish, click the Next button. Here, the animations are divided into scenes, meaning how many scenes there will be in the final result. You can check and change something. Click Next and now wait while all the scenes and voiceover are generated. You can watch how it works through the code. While it's generating, let's talk about audience retention. The first thing is the script. The foundation of everything is your plot. Try to come up with a good story so that it is interesting. Pleasant voiceover. A quality bedtime story. Your videos can be used as a bedtime fairy tale to help kids fall asleep. So think through every detail and kids will watch you. The most important thing is to work on your content. If you see something is bad, remake it or add something. The scenes are ready. Now we need to generate images for these scenes. We are creating the book in parallel with the animation, which you can also use for different purposes. I think it's very cool. You will have both a video and a book at the same time. Now generate images for each scene by clicking Generate below. Each image will take exactly 2 minutes. This will take some time. After generation, you can adjust the subtitles. On the first image, it will be the title of your fairy tale. Then adjust the subtitles on each image. This is very important. After that, check all the images. If you want, you can regenerate them or replace them with others. When you finish setting up the images, click the animation section at the top. Here we simply click each scene and animate our images. The animation is generated quickly. Don't click all of them at once so you don't break the process. Animate 4 at a time. If you don't like a scene, just redo it or delete it. As you can see, I have 26 scenes, and each one needs to be animated. I finished the animation. Now the final part. Click Animation Preview at the top. Here you can edit your animation, add music and voiceover. Let's do that. First, Click on the videos in order and select all your scenes. You can select up to 20, but don't worry, we will add the rest later. Now add the voiceover. Click the voiceover section. Here you see that each scene has text. Select 4 scenes and click Generate. Do the same for all our scenes. You can choose the music offered by Read Kids. Great, everything is ready. Click Generate and wait a little until the final result is ready and you can download the video. After that, if you have more than 20 scenes, upload the remaining scenes and do the same as with the first part of the video. Add the voiceover and generate. After that, download all parts of the video, and everything is ready. Now you only need to merge the videos into one complete file. Also, in Red Kids, you can create your own book with illustrations and text. It will be created in parallel with your animation, so I recommend trying it. The link will be in the description. Let's move on to the next step. We will do a bit of editing for the video. Go into any video editor that is convenient for you. Combine all parts of the animation. Add your own music if you want, and a couple of effects if you like, so that the animation looks magical because it is a fairy tale. After that, we export our video with the best settings and wait for the final render. Let's see what we got.
The Fox Who Took Winter. Once, long ago, as the last golden leaves fell, something strange happened. The world waited for snow, icicles to twinkle, and frost to paint the fields, but winter never came. The days stayed crisp, but never truly cold. The air shimmered, and children waited for snow that never fell. In a village at the edge of a glowing forest lived 2 siblings, Nella and Bram. Nella missed crunching snow. Bram longed to skate on the frozen pond. One evening, they heard a traveler whisper, "A magical fox with a moon-bright tail has stolen winter." Nella and Bram put on scarves and marched into the glowing woods. They crossed cold streams, met curious deer and silent owls. His eyes glinted sharp as icicles. "Why seek winter?" he hissed. "I wanted its shimmering, sparkling wonders." Nella and Bram raced outside, laughter ringing out as the world danced beneath the winter sky.
It turned out to be an excellent fairy tale. I really like the plot and the graphics. Red Kids creates great stories. Now let's upload the video to YouTube, and I will show you how to optimize it correctly. Create a channel and upload your first video. To properly optimize the video itself, we need to take the video title from a competitor and modify it a bit. I copied the title from a competitor who had a different fairy tale, and now I simply changed their fairy tale to mine. This is proper optimization. Always do it this way. The main thing is not to copy it exactly, but always make it your own by changing the characters or something else. You can write a short description if you want, describing the fairy tale, and that's it. Now you can confidently publish your first story. Try to make videos once every 3 days, and then success is guaranteed. That's all, friends. If this video was helpful, write what you think in the comments and how you like the niche. I will gladly answer all your questions that you are interested in regarding the niche and YouTube. Also, subscribe to my Telegram channel. I often post niches for you there. You will find editing packs and useful tips. The link is in the description. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss new hype niches. I wish you recommendations, and see you soon.